I call for help on the murder of my son, yo. Please, help me, yo. I called them to help my son. I was hugging my son like this. I told him, say, I love him, yo. One officer said, don't shoot, and the next officer shoot. Oh, God. Why, yo? Oh, God.
Chaz Frey's mother and father stood outside the 101st Precinct inconsolable over the loss of their only child.
Oh, Jesus.
Why she still shoot 2 shots?
Oh, God. You shot my son.
Police said Chaz Frey did not comply with multiple commands to drop his box cutter. The Reverend Carl McCall, who was assisting the family, disputed that account.
This is not a case of mental health. This was a call for help because the father watches TV and he sees the police department said that if you have any issues, you can call the police department because we want to focus on community policing.
Right.
So he called 911 to talk to his son, not to kill his son.
McCall is calling for the officer's body-worn camera footage to be released.